Introducing a complete course on the Indian stock market, English. A course curated by Kundan Kishore for investors, traders, career seekers and students of India. Learn stock market in English, 100 plus video lectures, 50 plus hours of video content, a live doubt clearing sessions, tests, quizzes and case studies, research report writing with certification. Benefits: learn all hidden secrets, myths and trivia of the stock market. Learn to identify good stocks/share to invest. Learn to manage your stock investment portfolio. Learn to manage the risk of stock market investments. Learn to trade in options profitably. Learn to use technical analysis effectively. Learn how to make a career in the stock market. Learn about significant historical events of the stock market. Looking for something extra? Start from beginner level and get lifetime access at just Rs 990 only.